Old Man Camel was fixing his satellite dish on the roof when he heard frantic barking. His dog Bruno was pawing at the edge of the roof. Something was wrong. Peering down, Camel saw a tiny kitten clinging to the ledge of the neighbor's balcony, scared and trembling. "Hold on, little one," Camel shouted. Bruno, without hesitation, guided Camel to the safest path across the rooftops, nudging him, alerting him to every weak tile. With careful steps, Camel reached the kitten and scooped it up. Bruno barked happily, tail wagging, mission accomplished.